Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your browser, which is Google Chrome in this example, or browse through Google Play Store on Google Pixel 7 Pro. So here I also have a problem with Google Play Store. As you can see, if we try to download this app, for example, it starts in a pending mode, no images load, and this pending never changes. So to fix this, we'll need to go back and try to reach the settings. Right here, go for the system, date and time, and set time automatically. When we try to open the website again on our Google Chrome, it works perfectly. And the same is with Google Play Store, as if we try to download this app again, it's right here, all images load, and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.